Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1966 Ford Mustang. Really stunning 66. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel and hit that button, that bell icon. That'll turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime we do a video, and that way you don't miss out on these cars and the videos and the car of your dreams. The purpose of these virtual test drive videos is to virtually put you in the driver's seat, no matter where you are in this world, so you can get a feel of how it goes down the road, how it runs, sounds like, all that good information. For all additional info, when we're done here, go on over to volocars.com, V-O-L-O cars.com. We have a couple hundred pictures, inside, outside, undercarriage, did it all, the selling price, and as detailed of a write-up as we can do, because our goal is to give you as much information as possible, so when you give us a call on a vehicle, you're knowledgeable, confident, and everything goes smooth. So without further ado, let's jump in. The interior looks beautiful. Whoop, sorry, just getting the seatbelt here. The seatbelts itself are really awesome. All right, so sitting in here, the seats, not bad, pretty comfortable actually. The dash looks great. I'm looking around the interior, everything looks pretty well put together. Let's go start her up. She starts right up. You have on your dash here your fuel, your oil pressure, your speedometer, your battery, your engine temp. Has a radio here. Let's see if we get anything. Oh, wrong one.
For your phone calls.
Yep, radio works great. You got your cup holder down there, place where you can throw your wallet, phone, whatever. I feel that air pushing through. You don't really hear it. Like I said, I felt that coming down on my legs. So yeah, overall, basic little check here. Everything seems pretty well put together. But when it comes to the road test, this is the first time myself or anyone from the shop has a chance to actually take this out on the road. So you and I will be experiencing everything first time together. If we run into anything, any hiccups, when we get it back in the shop, we'll go ahead and address it. So without further ado, let's go for a ride. Speedo's working. Seems to drive nice and straight. Steering wheel, you start to turn it one way or the other, it's going with you. Just very minimal, if any, play at all, to be honest with you. No, I don't think there's any play in this. It's nice. Accelerator feels nice and responsive. Brakes feel good, just the right amount of pressure. Hate when you have the squishy brakes, or the ones that are really hard that you almost have to have bodybuilder legs to brake in. Sounds nice and solid over there. I'm not hearing any squeaks, rattles. I'm surprised about how nice and just tight this car feels while you're driving it. Actually a pretty quiet ride. Shifts real nice, gets up in speed just fine. This isn't going to be your dragster or a real race car, but like I said, I mean, if you need to get up speed on the interstate, highway, whatever, this will do it. It's an incredibly nice ride. That's what I'm noticing. A lot of the classic cars, they aren't really smooth, gentle rides for you, but this one definitely is. The color combination is amazing. How this thing actually operates is really great. Steers real easy too. When you feel that shift, it's a real easy, smooth, just finesse shift. I love it. This car is definitely one of the biggest sweethearts I say we have. I absolutely love this thing. I would love to take it to a show all around town. Like I said, I really like this car. I hope you do as well. Like I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to check out volocars.com. Check out the pictures, the write-up, and give our sales team a call. As always, I appreciate you.